I'm here to present my project on regal flowers. As you can see, it's a modern, attractive landing page for a flower and gift delivery brand. Showcase a stylish homepage with a navigation bar. So the overview. It was built as a static front-end project using HTML and CSS, and it is designed to look polished and premium. It features sections for fresh flowers, forever flowers, VIP bouquet, and the rest. So I used responsiveness for the website. So it was designed with responsiveness in mind so that it remains user friendly on desktop and other devices. And I also use GitHub for pushing and merging to servers. So yeah.
So things to correct. You said something like you made use of responsiveness. When you say you made use of responsiveness is not like a function or a property. Do you understand? You actually say you made it responsive. Do you understand? You make the website responsive. So the correct English should be I made it responsive. But I understand what you're saying. And from that, very good. Nice read me, very long and detailed. So one question from HTML. What is the difference between block elements and inline elements? Then give me two examples of each.
Tags.
Okay.
Yeah, there are inline elements that have closing tags too, but
Okay.
like inline from the name, inline means we can use it inside the block elements.
Okay. Okay. So very good. Nice explanation. Okay. At least you explain it the way you understand. You get but a more professional explanation will be you get block elements that take 100% width of the parent. You get that's the reason why like you said, they stay zone. You get one inline elements are elements that do not take 100% width of the parent elements. You understand? So that's the more professional. But I know you understand by the way you explain it in your own words. Okay. So give me examples. Two block elements, two inline elements.
Block elements.
Yeah.
Nav tag.
Nav tag, okay.
Nav elements.
The block elements. Which other one?
We have actually
We have okay.
for inline we have image.
Image inline. Okay. So one more for each. One more for each.
The div too is a block element.
A block element. So the last inline element.
Paragraph.
No, paragraph is a block element.
And button.
Button is an inline element. Very good. So excellent. So let's go to your CSS for the second question. Okay, so for the second question, I want to ask you this. What are the three CSS selectors?
Three.
The three CSS selectors. In case it's not clear, like what are the three ways you can pick up an HTML element using your CSS? For example, I have an H1. What are the three ways I could select it in the CSS, in my CSS file?
Maybe you can use class.
Can use class.
Or you can pick it directly like down body. Body is a
What do you call it? What do you call that mode of selection? You said the first one is class.
Yeah.
So the second one will be
I don't know.
tag. You just said it.
Okay, by
You get
tag.
when you write the tag, and the last one is
Using can add to
last one is ID.
ID.
You remember your ID?
Yeah, ID.
Yeah, ID. So very good. How do you select a class?
With period.
With period. Okay, dot. Yes. How do you select an ID?
ID. It's hashtag.
Hashtag. Very good. Excellent. Maybe you don't really use ID like that. That's why you can't really remember. Yes, you almost use class a lot. That's why you get. I know. Okay, so let me ask you about Flexbox. When you display flex, right? What's the default flex direction?
Default.
Yes. What's the default value of flex direction when you
Row.
display flex?
Is it the position?
Yeah, the direction. How would they flex? Like this
Row.
row. Very good. Excellent. So default flex direction is row. Regal flowers. Okay. And you catch out during by the time. Okay, so scroll. Okay. Very nice. Okay. 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 Scroll up. Okay, hold. Okay. Okay, nice. So, of course, but you can do better, right? You can do better. You can do better. I know. So, a round of applause for you, but this is excellent. I know. So, I know what's the next stage?
JavaScript.
JavaScript. You get. So the page can come alive. Can come alive. I know. So last question. So in this first stage, what was the most difficult part of the whole HTML, or you didn't find anything difficult? What did you find most challenging?
The responsiveness, but I got used to it. So.
Okay, yeah, responsiveness is always
And
an
then-
headache, even for experienced developers. You know, it's always because you're thinking about so many trying to make you look good on all screens. You get so responsiveness is always an headache. I understand. You understand? But the more you do it, the more you get better at it. So very good. So thank you very much. So look forward to seeing you in the next week.